In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table into Google Docs. We're going to walk through the process inside a Google Doc and look at one simple way to add a table using Google Docs built-in options. This is especially useful if you want more than just a blank grid, because Google Docs also offers table templates that are organized by category and can still be edited after you insert them. Start by opening your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document where you want the table to appear and place your cursor roughly where you want that table to be inserted. That helps keep your formatting clean and saves time moving things around later. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains several tools you can add to your document, including tables and other structured content. From the Insert menu, hover over Table. As you move through the menu, you may also see another option called Building Blocks. Hover over Building Blocks as well, because this is where Google Docs gives you access to more styled and practical table layouts, not just a standard empty table. Once that menu opens, click on View More. This will show you a larger collection of table-based options that you can use in your document. These aren't fixed or locked, so once you add one, you can still customize it however you like. At this point, you'll see different types of tables to choose from. They're grouped by category, which makes it easier to find the right layout for the kind of information you want to organize. For example, you may find categories related to communication, meetings, project management, contact lists, and similar uses. This can be a big time saver because instead of building a table from scratch, you can start with a format that already matches your purpose. Now choose the table you want from the category that fits your needs. For example, if you're organizing tasks or deadlines, you might choose something under project management. After selecting the one you want, click Insert. Google Docs will place that table into your document, and from there, you can edit it accordingly. You can click into any cell, replace the placeholder text, adjust rows and columns, and tailor the content to match your project. If needed, you can also continue formatting the document around it so everything looks neat and professional. And that's how to insert a table into Google Docs using the available table and building block options. Once you get used to this feature, it becomes a quick and efficient way to organize information inside your documents.